How did TPRM become your primary focus?
Yeah, I appreciate that. And again, thanks for having me here. Glad to be connected and discussing TPRM. So I've spent my whole career in GRC in various forms, one or another. So I've spent about 15 years or so building and scaling GRC programs, security and infrastructure products for technical teams. And along the way, I had the unique and delightful opportunity to spend a lot of time in a GRC program that had a lot of challenges with third-party risk. So experiencing firsthand at companies like Clear and Spotify, some of the challenges around onboarding large vendor populations, running due diligence workflows, collecting the data that you need to actually establish trust in your third parties, and then continuing to monitor and manage that relationship over time, and seeing really firsthand just how frustrating that experience was. I mean, I've been through spreadsheets, different platforms, BYO or kind of like DIY tools, and all of it has different variations and flavors of challenge. And over time, I came together with two other partners and co-founders to really zero in on this challenge around third-party risk, which is it's not a single player game, and I've seen it be attempted to be solved as if it were one. And the key to make third-party risk improve and to improve enterprise trust is very much to take a collaborative and more connected approach that is more empathetic to the partners that you need to develop across the aisle, so to speak. And that's why we founded Fabrik. And just to give you a brief context on what Fabrik is the data connectivity layer for the B2B trust ecosystem. So very simply, we make it easy for third-party risk teams and customer trust and assurance teams to connect and collaborate, to share and exchange the data that they need to more effectively conduct their workflows within the TPRM and customer trust platforms that they already prefer and love to use. So very much about also reducing tool bloat, tool lard, and kind of optimizing and enhancing the existing tool chain rather than trying to build yet another point solution for each of those end users. So that's how I came to focus on TPRM. It's a really exciting and dynamic space. Really kind of keen to dig in on some of the questions that I think we have to talk about today around why it's so challenging.